press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning to everyone. This is Ashok Rival. Today we are going to conduct an activity for ASL, Assessment of Speaking and Listening. So here will be a mock drill actually. That will be beneficial for all the students, those who will watch this video. And it will be a practice for my students too, because they are going to face their ASLs in their schools and their further courses. So let us start this activity. I hope you will like it. It's really very beneficial. So let's see what happens and how do we conduct an ASL. So group number 1, please come in. Please come in. Please come in. Have your seats.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. How are you, students?
Fine, sir.
Okay, great. So are you feeling comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Feeling hesitant?
No, sir.
Okay, fine, great. So first you will speak loudly so that your voice can be recorded clearly, because obviously the fan is also working here, so it might some cause problems in the sound. Okay, so let's start with the, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Raman. My age is 16 and I read in Shiksha Bharati Vidyaniketan
Okay.
and Kaithal.
Okay, on which class you are?
I am in 10th class.
Fine, Raman. Please. Okay, Raman, let me know one thing, that what is your aim, what you want to be?
I want to be a Air Force officer.
You want to become an Air Force officer. Great. Okay. Yes, please, you.
Good morning, sir. Myself Arif from class 10th in Shiksha Bharati School, Gulhana Road. My aim is to become an IAS and I am from Jhandakloli Road.
Okay. You want to become an IAS. Great. So really, you people have great aims, and it's fine. You must have some aim to become in your life, right? Great. So let's start your essay today. Should we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start with Raman.
My topic is on sports. Sports is a like education, and but sports diverts our mind to be free, and it also is a teamwork and combination of students. Some don't have friends, they play, their mind diverts like friends. They play with games like a friend, and but some students, those who are best in games and their families don't support them and forced to do study, because in our country there is only study is a main thing which we can be helpful. And but nowadays our government also helps students to be to get achievement in sports, but sports is also a matter to which make our body fit, and if we don't do sports then we will later we will get some pain in our bodies and we will go to doctor. But if we play regular and be fitted, and when we move to someone place, they also say that this guy is looking very nice if he will be fit. And sports makes our life like education, but we should do effort to sports also, not study. We should do both things, because our life in the student life is in both sports and games, sports and study. Thank you.
Great. So Aryan, would you like to ask any question to Raman?
You said the government supports the
Speak loudly.
government. You said the government supports the sports in many ways. In which ways government supports the games in present time?
Nowadays there is the government of BJP. These this our Chief Minister of Haryana, Shri Manohar Lal Khattar, and he sports he give achievement to poor peoples to get achievement in games, and they can't do study in higher because study is for higher studies, but games anyone can do games, and there is less.
Okay, great. So, Raman, let me know one thing that according to you, what is important for a sports person? What is important for a sports person?
Sir, everything is important for sports person like study. When we do study, we have to focus on our books and not to divert our mind. Like this game is also like a study. We should study first game and then achieve.
Great. Okay, that's really great. Let's start with Aryan. Aryan, please.
Good morning, sir. My topic is internet. First of all, we talk about what is internet. Internet is a mean of communication between a person which live in any part of world, and it become a connection between all computers and mobiles between in the world. So internet is a need of hard in many ways, but it is the biggest waster of time in present time. So first of all, we talk about its why it is a need of hard. So it is a need because it help a student and anyone by searching anything like knowledgeable things on Google, etc. So by which we can advance ourselves to become advanced in world. So and by it we can communicate with each other in many ways like video calls and etc. So at present time students use more internet because of corona time. The classes of schools are attended by students on the internet like Zoom app and Google Meet. So it is our big need at present time. But the coin have two sides. Like similarly, the internet is a wastage of time also. By internet, students and youngsters become lazy and watch movies and inappropriate videos and like game play. So it is the biggest wastage of time in us.
Raman, would you like to ask any question?
Why internet is so important for students, but people are saying that don't use mobile phone.
Important is internet is important for a student life because it is at present time we talk about corona time. So the students also take classes like school in internet, and also the any question and any chapter we know we can ask to internet and
We can search. Okay.
search.
Okay, Aryan, great. You rightly answered. Let me know one thing, Aryan.
Yes.
Though there are many, there are pros and cons of everything. But if there are the benefits of internet, there must be some loopholes also,
Yes.
right? Don't you think that there are many negative things for the internet? Children misuse that.
Yes, sir. Children misuse that but parents can control that, and we always think positive and not become negative. So we think about positive, not negative. There are many negative things.
Great. So now I'll be giving you one situation. I'll be telling you that what to do. Okay, one situation will be given, and you need to discuss about that with your partner. Right? Okay. So situation is that one of your friend, he is very good in the games, but parents, they don't support him. They say games are nothing and you should do hard work for your studies. So how will you convince his parents? Discuss. Loudly. You need to discuss loudly that what are you going to do. Please start.
Convince the parents by telling them to why the game have also important as well as study. By games, the children become healthy and fit in his life, and also studies are important, but sports are also equal in it. So we convince by
What do you say, Raman?
But we should say to parents that what children want to do, let him do. Because if we force him, he will never achieve anything. And if we say to parents that let him play, he will achieve more than what he thought, more than twice.
Anything else? That's it. Okay. Fine. So this was the way how to conduct an ASL. Means initially two students will come, as you have seen in the video. Two students will come. They'll introduce themselves, and then after having some simple questions, they are supposed to tell about their topics. So when they will tell, means student number one, as Aryan told about his topic. After that, Raman, when Raman spoke, Aryan asked a question. When he spoke, so he asked a question. So likewise, one questioning will also be there. Then some teachers will also ask the questions, and after that, then situation giving. One situation will be given. These topics and situation, they are to be downloaded from the CBSE site. Okay. और एक format जो होता है, on that format the teacher gives their marks and all. So that format is also to be downloaded from the CBSE site. So this is the complete process to conduct an ASL. Okay. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.